Hey guys, I'm back at it. Bought a new toy for work, and I wanted to do a little review and show you the operation of it. It's a Husqvarna soft cut 150, and it is for cutting control joints in wet concrete, wet, semi-wet, and semi-dry. So this is what it looks like. Let's see, it's an interesting little thing. It's got real flat wheels so it doesn't mark up the concrete with regular wheels if you're cutting it wet. We poured yesterday and we're going to cut this morning. Finished it yesterday. Probably we finished around 4 and it's 8, so they sell several different blades for it. One is for wet concrete and one is for 6 hours dry. One is for it goes on, and then it has one for totally dry. So we're going to take it upstairs where we poured the concrete at the VA Loma Linda, and we're going to show you how it works. So hang on, we'll be right back. So we're installing the red blade.
Y esta nomás entra de un solo lado. Si la quieres poner volteada, no va a entrar. Tiene que ser de un solo lado. Puede ser de este lado o del otro lado, pero...
Ah, mire. No.
Porque si lo pones del otro lado, no va a entrar arriba.
Oh, so you can't put it the wrong way. Oh, that's cool. And when you buy the blades, it comes with the guide that attaches.
Tiene que acabar aquí. Sí, porque si no la tora se cae.
Oh, it has the point where yeah. That's cool. Oh, geese! Honk, honk! I said, screw you.
Vamos a bajarlo.
Y para ajustarse lo que viene siendo el hombro,
Tú le das aquí, si lo quieres más hondo o más...
uno solito.
Sí,
Okay.
porque si lo quieres, creo que es 1,5 pulgadas lo más que
Lo más que da.
o 1 pulgada, no estoy bien seguro, pero tú le tienes que hacer, haciendo sueltas y se va hasta abajo.
Okay. Entonces para no hay forma de que guiarlo que dé exactamente 1 pulgada.
So we'll go upstairs and cut and show you guys how it goes. So we're in here cutting, and this is what it does. said that the concrete in here is pretty hard already, and we might have to change to a different blade. I think it's yellow blade for harder concrete, but we'll see. Once he gets to the end of his cut, then he takes a grinder out and finishes the cut with that. So Gregory's going to vacuum. We should have brought a different vacuum for this, but it is what it is. We got what we got. These are the joint protectors, and once we finish the cut, just a little corrugated thing, little corrugated cut. So what we'll do is we'll set this in here like so. And then when he cuts across here, continues to cut, it'll prevent the concrete from blowing out, cracking right at that cut. Without those spacers, each and every one of those cross cuts will, each and every one of the cross cuts will blow out at the corner, at the intersection. So I think it was worth it. So this is the finished product. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. So hi, Gregory.
What's up, YouTube?